Hey guys, today we are going to be trying some of these. I already opened one and tried it, so let's just go back to eating.
Maybe cut it over here.
I think that's good. And then I'm going to be trying this one. Apparently there's chocolate inside. There's chocolate. I feel like this would be good for a s'more. Next, I think I'm going to try this one. I don't really know what it is. I think it's Kit Kat something. I don't know what it is, but I know. It's Kinder Egg something. I don't really know.